Today on the workbench, we have the Americana FC-60, made in occupied Okinawa in 1961. It was described as having weak stations, so let's give it some power and see what's up. Maybe we can bring another piece of history back to its full potential. And we got a volume knob. It's not bad. Works pretty well. Just like it's good to change the oil in your car before the engine seizes up, it's good to change the caps before the radio breaks. This one might be bulging, so let's get to it. I did manage to locate a PhotoFact folder for the radio, and this gives us most of the information we need. And we can see that we have 5 electrolytic capacitors. Some 5, a 10, and a bunch of 30s. We got it apart. Well, let's get to it. It might be easier to actually remove all 3 of these before we put any new ones in. I think we'll have a little more room. Come on. All right, there he is. 50 microfarads. Get these guys resoldered before I forget. There are 2 main electronic distributors in the United States, Mouser and DigiKey. Both are great places to get replacement caps. What I don't recommend is getting them on Amazon. You really don't know what you're getting, and real deal Panasonic capacitors are 10 cents each. So if you're going to spend the time to replace them in a radio, you might as well use good components. Next one is this guy. All right, there's another one. Well, this is a much better fit than the original, but I think I lost some of the trace here, so I'm going to have to bridge this over just a little bit. Alright, that's all 5 of them. So the radio sounded kind of okay before. Let's check the caps we pulled out and see how good they were. This is a 50. 68.2 ESR 3.8. You know, this might have been okay. This 50 is 71.38 and an ESR of 3. Still not completely terrible. This 30 ooh. Well, this 30 was toast. Okay. This is a 10 and it's measuring 17.8 and an ESR of 22. That's terrible. This one is not good. And this is supposed to be a 5. Also, another open circuit. Okay. So obviously this radio can actually work or sound like it's working, even with 2 of the caps broken and one of them completely out of spec. Fascinating. This is why after 60 years you replace the caps. Electrolytic caps are not designed to last 60 years. That's a little nicer. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll be making more. And if you see anything I missed, again, please leave a comment. I'm here to learn. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.